We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with TRKA stock continuing to fight and hold support here at around 20 cents. And we need to break it all down. But TRKA was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 12:30 p.m. sent out a bear indicator. From that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. And just a few minutes after, our newly released flow bot sent out a SPY bearish flow at 1 p.m. And from that moment forward, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to our 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with TRKA fighting to hold support. We're going to look at the inflow versus outflow, the bull and bear indicators, and what key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 7:05 a.m. And from that moment forward, full strength there on 42 vision into the bell. And after the bell, inflows were above the midpoint and call options went up 150% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, the link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with TRKA doing a full transition from dark green bars all the way down to white with red borders. And today is the first time I try to transition back up from what I call the dip area on 42 vision on the white with red borders to dark green bars. Now, if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which lets us see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with TRKA under a bear indicator since up here at around 34 cents, and outflows were dominating all the way until today. But quickly after, within the volatility, after it bounced from 23 cents to 27 cents, the outflows crossed over once again, guys. Now, this is critical here because we're seeing the bulls trying to reappear and quickly things come back down, but it's trying to hold that support above 20 cents. If that support of 20 cents gets broken through and these outflows continue to dominate, well, the bulls are going to lose traction here if they keep on trying to bring it back up, because it wasn't just in the first half of the day. In the second half, it bounced from 22 all the way up to 24, almost 25 cent area. So this is critical here, as I'm stating. This is super important to not ignore. Now, in the bigger picture, on the 1 hour, we could see here outflows rejected as they were getting close to the midpoint for the first time after crossing here back on March 7th, and also the rejection on the 8th. Since then, it has not been this close, and it rejected again, guys. Again, another representation that inflows are trying to pick up and the bulls are trying to reappear, but it keeps on rejecting. So it's going to be critical for these inflows to cross back over and then start to reflect that strength into the chart to possibly cancel out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator. I'm going to be watching for that very, very carefully here. Now, on the 15-minute within the volatility, we could see here that there's a bull indicator in the second half within the volatility at 22 cents, and the inflows are right there near the midpoint. It's going to be crucial for this to cross over, get that strength to reflect into the chart, retest key resistance levels, and hold this bull indicator true. And not only that, roll that strength over into the 30-minute chart here, as right now the inflows are below the midpoint. Now, what are the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow? Well, the first thing is the support, guys, right? We could see here it's found support 2 times at 21 cents. I would just round that down to 20 cents. And if these outflows continue lower, it's going to be crucial to watch. If it breaks through 20 cents, the 18 to 15 cent area, and that can quickly start to reflect into the charts if these outflows pull away, not just here on the 30-minute, but also here on the 15-minute to the downside, right? Now, to the upside, if these inflows can pick back up, well, we want to see it cross over the midpoint, and also on the 15-minute, show that strength, and the 1 hour is not that far either. We want to see it pick up and switch from red to green, head towards that midpoint, and if it can cross it, even better, so that that strength can start to reflect into the chart, and that strength of bull indicator on the 15-minute rolls over into the 30-minute, and hopefully even into a possible bull indicator into the strength on the 1 hour. Now, the first resistance is 26 cents. Then above that is the 28 cent area. Huge rejection in that area here on Friday of last week when it fell from 33 cents and it tried to bounce off the 24 cent area, 28 cents. And then above that comes the 30 cent area. Those are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside. And I'm going to be watching the bull and bear indicators on multiple time frames, as well as the inflow versus outflow. I found it very interesting how it bursted up, trying to break through resistance from yesterday at 26 cents at the beginning of the day, and also this big push up here at the end of the day after finding support near 21 cents, yesterday's support. And the question mark I'm asking myself, I'm going to ask you guys, I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Do you think if it can hold support, this could be a double bottom? That is the question mark here, and it's going to be critical for these inflows to pick up and these support levels and resistance levels to be tested and broken through with strength. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.